Today we're out in the woods in this beautiful area because we're focusing on the wood element, which is all about cleansing the liver, particularly of energy such as anger and frustration. So we're going to do just some micro practices that will very quickly help us to release anger and to restabilize our body so that we can feel centered and able to be resilient and to cope with the challenges of everyday life. So let's start with the first exercise. Starting with a warm-up exercise, we stand in a restful position, we release the breath, and we begin to bend the knees, relaxing the shoulders and arms so they begin to sway back and forth. As we do so, we look from side to side and we come up on our toes to increase the speed. Breathing in, the arms come up, relaxing the breath, the arms drop down. With each breath out, we look to let go of anger by releasing the liver meridians. When you've finished the exercise and you're ready to begin, we start the next exercise. We release the breath, breathing in, bringing the energy up, stretching with the hands interlinked. We stretch to one side and use the sound shh to release the anger. Breathing in, we come to the other side. Breathing out, we release the anger with the same sound. We continue by breathing out as we stretch, breathing in as we tip to the other side, using the healing sound shh to release frustration from the liver. Let each stretch be an act of surrender and release. Continue on the exercise. When you're ready to finish, release the hands as you release the breath. Find the liver area, close your eyes and imagine a clear green light radiating out and cleansing the liver. Please bear in mind this is a mirror image, so your kidneys are on the right. For the next exercise, we stand in surrendered position, knees soft, shoulders dropped, forehead open, our hands resting on the lower dantian. Releasing the breath, we trace our fingers all the way up our torso and out through our knees, releasing the hands and allowing them to fall. Breathing in, we come up, tracing up to the kidneys, then releasing the kidneys when releasing the breath and allowing the hands to drop. Breathing in, letting go, breathing out and allowing the hands to drop. Breathing in, breathing out, hands drop, ready to go again in this cyclic method. Continue the exercise, allowing your breath to lead. When you're ready to finish, throw the hands up in the air, breathing in, breathing out, hands slowly drop down just below the belly button, knees soft, shoulders surrendered, heart open and forehead open. Sit for a moment in this relaxed position. Ready for the next exercise, we release the breath and hands, make soft fists. Breathing out, we punch forward, breathing in, we pull back. As we breathe out, really push all of that anger out. Breathing in, fresh green light. Pushing out with strength, coming back nice and soft. Pushing all that air, all the anger out, coming back fresh and soft. Continue on, remembering to keep your knees nice and soft, body relaxed. And as you release that breath, remember to use the shh sound to really release all that you can from the liver, from the body, letting go of old thoughts, past ideas and memories in order to begin again. When you're ready to finish, drop the arms, breathe in, throw the energy up. Let that energy and the breath slowly come down and find the lower dantian, sitting into the position, soft knees, relax the shoulders, and surrender and feel the warmth within. We imagine a gold ball of light just below the navel. We now prepare to finish by having a closing exercise. I lift my right hand up and draw a line all the way down the center of my body. Replacing it with the other hand, I now draw a line with my left hand going down the body. The hand sitting at the navel is like a cup gathering the energy. Continue the exercise with the prayer hand moving down through the center as you release the breath, breathing in, bringing the hand up and releasing the breath to drop down. Continue the exercise, and with each breath, just let go of every thought and any tension, particularly any anger and frustration in the body, and use this exercise as a cleansing exercise to release anything you need to let go of. Now, listening to your breath, allow the breath to lead the exercise at the right pace for you. Breathing in, arm comes up. Breathing out, releasing the energy and centering. Breathing in, coming up, and centering once more. When you're ready to finish, breathe in, throw the energy up, release the breath and release the hands to find the lower dantian. Allow the knees to become soft, the shoulders to drop, the forehead and jaw released. As you surrender into this position and imagine a gold ball of light shining within you, shining away any anger and any frustration. Thank you for joining me for this Wood Element Qigong, and I hope you find much peace through these exercises.